Hey everyone, as you can see, I am with my lovely students and she is the third winner of our quiz contest competition 2025. By the way, let me ask her some questions regarding quiz. Hello,
Hello, sir.
how are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm also bright and shiny by the blessing of Almighty Buddha. Thank you so much for asking. By the way, my question is, how do you feel as you have got third prize?
I feel very great and I'm proud of my achievement.
Alright, and do you want to participate in the next quiz
Yes, I would love to.
if you get opportunity?
Yes, sir.
By the way, so what is your message to the audience?
Can I stay in Bangla, sir?
Of course.
ইংরেজি কুইজ প্রতিযোগিতা আসলে একটি মানে কি বলবো অনেক ইন্টারেস্টিং একটি কুইজ প্রতিযোগিতা যেখানে আমরা আমাদের যে নলেজ আছে জ্ঞান আছে ওইটা আমরা যাচাই করতে পারি সো আমি সবাইকে ইনভাইট করব যে আমাদের এই ইংলিশ কুইজ কন্টেস্টে যাতে সবাই জয়েন করে এবং নিজের মধ্যে যে জ্ঞান আছে ওইগুলো একটু যাচাই করে ধন্যবাদ
That's right. And now, what do you think? Which one is greater, like money or knowledge?
of course knowledge
Knowledge. So it's your quiz prize and big congratulations
thank you
to
sir
you. Okay, by the way, if you get such kind of opportunity to participate in the quiz, then you must, you will never miss any kind of quiz competitions. Okay, and stay tuned for the next quiz. By the way, see you.